Squishies! Hi, Nicole!
Hi guys! We are playing in Leaf! No, wait! That's over. Hi guys! Today we're playing in Leaf. And this is my friend Michaela.
Hi, Michaela.
So we are playing in the Leaf. If we see the ground, be like, oh no, 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 no. And right? Then we just yeah. And then I like the sea. I like the sky. I like the blue sky and the sea. I like the island. I like the sky. I like the sea. I like the snow. I like the look! The ground. Look what I found! If you see something blue, pick it up and keep it. And this is all the presentation. This is red.